Nero Quintana immediately onto his wheel, but Contador goes for the line at the end of stage 4 and opens up that advantage. 2, 3, 4 bike lengths for Alberto Contador as he goes inside the final 50 metres. No one's going to deny him now, and it's Alberto Contador that is going to take the stage on the 10-second bonus. Nero Quintana, Machado, and here goes Contador. Contador has finally departed. You can tell that he wanted to do something, and he was just waiting. King has been utilised. Alberto Contador very shortly will move into the heat of this stage as the riders are weaving around the road. They need all the room they can get, so let's hope the spectators give them the room they need. Geschke has gone for a slightly different oscillating.
Ridiculous 30%, so 1 in 3. Contador wants the stage win though. He's looked over, he's sensed the danger, and he's got more power. He's accelerated away from Geschke. An impressive display of power. He wants the overall, he wants the win.
There goes Contador for the win through the race, down the hill, raced in the valley, and powers up this final wall to take a wonderful success. His second in succession, Alberto.
Qui va prendre la tête devant Bob Jungels. 8 secondes encore pour en terminer pour l'Espagnol. Est-ce que ça va suffire pour Alberto Contador? C'est bon, c'est lui le nouveau leader, Alberto Contador. Allez, la dernière ligne droite pour Froome, il va être devant. Il va être devant, Christopher Froome va être le premier leader du Critérium du Dauphiné. Et il va même prendre une petite dizaine de secondes à Alberto Contador, impressionnant.
Ça roule, ça y est, il s'est écarté, Nieve, c'est parti. Oui, je l'avais bien senti comme tel. C'était calculé, pardon Nico, je reviens vers vous tout à l'heure, mais là ça va faire des dégâts terribles. L'accélération de Froome et Nibali est en train de lâcher prise. Alberto Contador en danseuse dans un style bien différent. Voilà les deux grands favoris du prochain Tour de France qui sont là, qui sont déjà là et qui sont déjà en train de faire ce bras de fer que l'on attendait sur ce Dauphiné. de plus. Je ne les ai pas comptés, mais on en est au moins à la 7 ou 8e accélération de Froome. Et Contador est lâché un instant, un mètre d'écart. Il s'est rasé Froome. Contador qui revient en danseuse. On est aux 500 mètres. Alberto Contador qui grimace, qui pointe peut-être la main. Il va déclencher l'attaque à gauche de Christopher Froome. Oh, quelle finale, quelle bagarre. C'est déjà psychologique pour le prochain Tour de France. Et Froome ne lâche rien. Quel caractère pour le vainqueur du Tour de France 2013. Il ne lâche absolument rien. Il veut gagner l'étape et prendre 10 secondes de bonification. Conserver son maillot jaune. Victoire d'étape pour Christopher.
There's no response from Sky. It's Richie Porte who's got Chris Froome, and Contador is making this mountain his own. Now, what ending your own clock back? To my mind, it's already about 12 seconds, about exactly what he needs. So this is about maintaining a tempo that you're looking at right now. It looks like he's going to be out of the bonus seconds, Contador, although he's caught plenty of those who went up the road. There's very few seconds at the moment, and he needs to reduce the gap to 12 if he's going to hold on to that jersey, and a little bit less if he wants to. Final push to the line. He's into the barriers right now. He sees the crowd, and this is where the clock has to start counting. We'll check it out for you as well. There it is, rolling on the bottom of your screen, and Contador, they're beating the barriers in appreciation of what is a fantastic performance by the multiple Grand Tour winner. He's heading for the line now, and this is what it's going to count. It's about the countdown. As soon as we hit 12 for a deficit, and there's Froome. He's suddenly nudged into it. It's about 100 metres away. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the rest of it. We'll roll the clock right now. We'll bother counting it out for you, but Froome knows this is crucial. He's up to 8 seconds now. 9, he's just about to see the lead handover. 12 has been hit, and the seconds are away from him. The jersey has gone. Chris Froome, very brave indeed. Oh, and a super job as well for Garmin Sharp today. Froome hits the line right.
Oh là, attention, regardez cette image. C'est la deuxième chute. Et attention, parce que là, c'est peut-être l'événement du Tour de France. Il est exactement 15h40. Christopher Froome se tient le bras droit. C'est terminé, c'est terminé. Alberto Contador s'arrête à droite de la route, je vous l'ai dit. Je vous l'ai dit, il était en train de réfléchir. Et bien voilà, voilà l'image, deuxième image du Tour de France. Il est 15h57, deuxième image forte du Tour de France en larmes, en pleurs. L'abandon d'Alberto Contador après Christopher Froome. L'abandon d'Alberto Contador, le deuxième grand favori de ce Tour de France.